Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be doing the sound blocks. So let me go to the our project. Jeez. Yes. So our next kind of blocks are sounds. So I think sounds are the easiest thing to learn about Scratch, but you need to understand some differences between them. So let's get started right away. So let me see. Play sound meow. Anything, any sound like this. You can see that I play sound. So I'm gonna show you the difference between start sound and play sound. So there seem to be no difference between them, but uh, I think we have to use some blocks later. I will show you that later after control, because these need control. So if I see the green flag, right? So they seem to be figuring. So start sound is just gonna start it and stop it. Not gonna start it and stop it, not the sound, but the project. If you just run it like this, yeah, just gonna start sound, but it's not gonna uh, keep the project running. But play sound until done, in the other hand, keeps running the project and plays the sound. Play sound until done. It's until done, the project is gonna run. So yeah, those are the difference. So stop pause sounds. I think we need to slow down this thing. The sound so slow. So you can see it stops all the sounds. Yeah. So now these pitch effects. Now these effects are different from the looks effect. Looks effect just adds effects to the sprite, but these are gonna add effects to the sounds. So change pitch. So pitch is gonna obviously change like this. You know what pitch is? It's the frequency. It's a certain frequency. It's the it's high or low something like that. Now pan left right is a new feature for 3.0 because the because this didn't have we didn't have this in Scratch 2.0, but this is an option. So if we change that and uh, so you will hear it on the right, but if we minus 10, so this also you can set to 0. So it will be equal and minus 100, and that's gonna pan to the left. So I don't think you can hear it, but it pans. So clear sound effects is just like effect box, but it's gonna clear the sound effects. So these are just gonna change and set volume. This is also an input value, so you can see the volume. So yeah, it's set to 100. 100 default. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think sounds was pretty easy to learn. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe.